Is your website loading slowly? Today, I am going to speed up my agency website using Seraphinite Accelerator Pro plugin and see how much we can improve its Google PageSpeed score. But first, let's see where we are starting. Right now, we are getting a score of 89 on desktop, and mobile isn't much slower either. That's already a good score, but we're going to push it even further. For this optimization, I'm using Seraphinite Accelerator Pro. Let's get started. First, let's go to the WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, click Add New Plugin and search for Accelerator. Install Seraphinite Accelerator and activate it. Now go to the plugin settings and download the extended version. You can also download the extended version directly from their website. Once it's downloaded, let's upload the plugin, install it, and activate it. Next, go back to the settings and activate our Pro license. Now activated. Get 15% off Seraphinite Speed Optimization Premium plugin. Unlock all features. Take full control of your website optimization and remove the plugin badge from your footer. Let's start the setup wizard. Select full functionality. Then click self-diagnosis and continue. On the next step, select always a high score. Since this website is hosted on shared hosting, we'll select low. Next, select universal adaptive. Click next and finish the setup. Now, let's go to the manager section. Select revalidate cache and then delete cache. And that's it. The setup is complete. Now comes the exciting part. Let's check the website again on Google PageSpeed Insights. It's loading and there we go. 95 on mobile and 98 on desktop. That's a huge improvement. Could we make it even faster? Absolutely. We still haven't updated all the plugins. And there are also a few unnecessary plugins and elements that could be removed. But without even doing all of that, getting 95 on mobile and 98 on desktop is already an excellent result. So, if your WordPress website needs a speed boost, can make a huge difference. And that's it for today's optimization. This is Makensearch.com helping you build, optimize, and grow better websites. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Makensearch for more WordPress, website, SEO, and digital growth tips.